Hello students, today we'll be talking about a limit test for iron using thioglycolate is a specific method for detecting the presence of iron in a sample. Thioglycolate is often used to reduce iron ions to their ferrous Fe2 form, which can then react with other reagents to produce a characteristic color change or precipitation. Here's a procedure for a limit test for iron using thioglycolate. Materials and reagents 1. Distilled water 2. Ammoniacal solution 3. Standard iron solution 4. A pair of glass rod 5. 90% iron-free citric acid solution 6. A pair of Nestle's cylinder 7. Thioglycolic acid or thioglycolate solution 8. Dropper or pipette. First, we talk about principle and its reaction. Limit test of iron is based on the reaction of iron in a monocle solution with thioglycolic acid in presence of citric acid to form iron thioglycolate, which is pale pink to deep reddish purple in color, which contains specific impurity of iron according to Indian Pharmacopoeia. When ferrous ion reacts with thioglycolic acid, then it forms ferrous thioglycolate complex. Procedure. First, we perform for test sample. 1. Take 5 milliliters of iron test solution by pipette and pipette out 5 milliliters of test solution and transfer it into Nestle's cylinder and label it as test sample. 2. Add 2 milliliters of 20% WV of citric acid, iron-free. 3. Add 2 drops of thioglycolic acid 4. Add ammonia to make the solution alkaline and adjust the volume up to the mark. 5. Keep aside for 5 minutes 6. Color developed is viewed vertically and compared with standard solution. Now we perform for standard solution. 1. Pipette out required quantity of standard solution and transfer it into Nestle's cylinder and label it as standard 2. Add 2 milliliters of 20% WV of citric acid, iron-free. 3. Add 2 drops of thioglycolic acid 4. Add ammonia to make the solution alkaline and adjust the volume up to the mark. 5. Keep aside for 5 minutes 6. Color developed is viewed vertically. So, earlier ammonium thiocyanate reagent was used for the limit test of iron. Since thioglycolic acid is more sensitive reagent, it has replaced ammonium thiocyanate in the test. Observation: the purple color produced in sample solution should not be greater than standard solution. If purple color produces in sample solution is less than the standard solution, the sample will pass the limit test of iron and vice versa. Inference: the presence of iron in the given sample solution will pass as per Indian Pharmacopoeia. Reasons: citric acid helps precipitation of iron by ammonia by forming a complex with it. Thioglycolic acid helps to oxidize iron, secu, to iron, the third, ammonia, to make solution alkaline. Big thanks for investing your time in this study.